I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents, and take a look at this great house on the corner of Larnick Street and Davis Street here in south side of Rockhampton. This home has got some features you're going to love. Let's take a quick tour. There's lots to like about this home. The location's superb. Just a short stroll to St. Peter's School, the Dawson Road Butcher and the Allenstown Square. A very versatile and functional layout with a double lock-up underneath and a room that's currently being used as a self-contained granny flat. And of course, this beauty, a shed that's been built for a caravan or a boat. It's a great space to store your toys. Well, there you have it. 61 Davis Street is a home with everything. Beautifully polished floors, nice plantation shutters in the windows, 3 generous bedrooms, a practical downstairs layout, and a massive shed. If the team at McGrath can help you own this wonderful home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.